everyone! Are you ready to sing?
Let's learn our letters and the joy they bring.
From A to Z,
Let's go, let's go!
come on everybody, join the show!
A is for astronaut, A, A, A. Dancing and floating, hooray, hooray. B is for butterfly, so pretty and new. Flying up high in pink and blue. C is for a happy crab, C, C, C. Dancing and waving his claws for me.
D is for dolphin, so happy and pink.
Deep, deep, dolphin!
Dancing with a musical wing.
Wing is for eagle, majestic and free. Eagle, soaring for you and me. F is for fox with a happy fun sound.
F, fox!
Dancing and waving all around.
The ABCs are fun to sing. Let's see what the next letters bring. Learning letters one by one. Singing with you is so much fun. G is for grapes, G, G, G. Bouncing and sparkling, so cute you see. H is for hippo, so happy and grand. H, hippo.
Dancing all over the land.
I is for ice cream, a fun sweet treat. Ice cream, spinning with sprinkles sewn. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace. J, jellyfish.
Pulsing all over the place. K is for kite,
K, kite.
flying and swaying, what a colorful sight. L is for ladybug, round and small. L, ladybug, crawling so she won't fall.
M is for Mickey, a happy, cheerful friend. M, Mickey.
Dance until the very end.
N is for narwhal, so calm and so sweet. N, narwhal with a
Smile you can't beat.
The ABCs are fun to sing. Let's see what the next letters bring. Learning letters one by one. Singing with you is so much fun. O is for orange, O, O, O. Dancing and swaying, putting on a show. P is for penguin, who's active and quick. P, penguin.
Doing a jump rope trick.
Q is for quail, a mom so grand. Q, quail.
With her cute chick's clothes at hand.
R is for rocket, R, flying up fast to a faraway star. S is for submarine, exploring the blue. S, submarine, so cute and pink, it's true. T is for turtle, a happy little guy. T, turtle.
Jumping up to the sky.
U is for unicorn with a magical horn. Unicorn, walking since she was born. V is for van, on adventure so grand. V, van.
Traveling across the land.
W is for watermelon, happy and sweet. W, watermelon, dancing to the beat. X is for xylophone, playing a tune. X, xylophone, all through the afternoon. Y is for yo-yo, shouting out with glee. Y, yo-yo, spinning down for you and me. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. Z, zebra, running with all of his might. The ABCs are fun to sing. We saw what all the letters bring. Learning letters one by one. Singing with you was so much fun.
Now we know our ABCs.
Hooray!
We know our ABCs.
Great job, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.